Here I have VIVO Y11s, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to record screen, what you have to do is to just go to the upper bar, and here you have this button, record screen. Tap on it once. Some settings will be opened. You can set it to display touch trajectory. You can set it to record sound. And you can also set picture quality. And there is also an option recording in progress, do not disturb. When enabled, screen recording will not be disturbed by float notifications. And then tap here to start recording. And recording started. You can pause it by tapping here. And then play it by tapping here one more time. Let's record some of our screen. And if you want to stop recording, just tap on a button here. And your recording will be saved to the gallery, to the screen recording album here. And here is our recording. And from here you can share, edit or delete this recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.